Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google AI Studio to Firebase. This integration allows you to use Google's AI capabilities directly within your Firebase project, making it easier to build intelligent features into your applications. First, open your web browser and navigate to studio.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your Google credentials. Make sure you're using the account that's associated with your Firebase project to keep everything organized and connected properly. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the bottom left panel of the screen. Here you'll find an option labeled Get API Key. Click on it to begin the process of generating your API credentials. This key is essential as it acts as the bridge between Google AI Studio and your Firebase project. Next, in the upper right panel that appears, you'll see a button that says Create API Key. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a new dialog where you can configure your API key settings. In the field provided, type in your preferred name for this key. Choose something descriptive that will help you identify it later, especially if you plan on creating multiple keys for different projects. Once you've entered your key name, click the Create Key button. Now you'll need to wait for a few seconds while the system generates your unique API key. This process is usually quite quick, but patience is key as the system securely creates your credentials. After the key has been generated, you'll see an option to copy API key. Click on it to copy the key to your clipboard. This is an important step, so make sure the key is properly copied before moving forward. You'll need this exact key in just a moment. Now it's time to switch over to your Firebase console. Select the project you want to connect to Google AI Studio. Once you're in your project dashboard, look for the gear icon, which represents your project settings. Click on it to access the configuration options for your Firebase project. In the settings page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Gemini API Key. This is where you'll paste the API key you just copied from Google AI Studio. Click into the Gemini API Key field and paste your key. Double check that the entire key has been pasted correctly without any extra spaces or characters. Finally, click the Save button to confirm and store your API key. Firebase will now process this information and establish the connection between your project and Google AI Studio. And that's it. You've successfully connected Google AI Studio to Firebase, enabling you to leverage AI features in your application. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.